Hi, and welcome into another LeetCode challenge on this channel. So today we'll be dealing with a medium one, longest substring without repeating characters. The description is very simple. Given a string s, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So we have an example of ABC, ABCBB, and the output will be 3 because the answer is ABC, so this substring, because we are hitting A yet another time here, and if we are doing it one more time, we are hitting this B one more time. Another example is only B, so the output will be 1 because we actually have only one character, and here we have P, W, W, K, A, W, and the answer will be here because it is the longest one without repeating. So let's hop into the LeetCode console and try to code the solution. Alright, so we are back in the LeetCode console. I will be using JavaScript, but there are many other languages to choose from. So what would be our idea for solving this issue? So let's say we can go one by one. So we can go ABC, we will hit A, we will start from B, go till we hit B, and then we will go from C, and we will go till we hit C, and so on and so on and so on. But actually, while we are moving this, we can make some kind of a mapping where we found the last index of the particular character, and then we can see if we already seen it. And if we seen it, we can move the markers. So we will use the two markers approach. So we will be using, let's say, a left marker that will have our previous known occurrence of such character, and the right marker when we are right now. So let's just try to code it, and that should make more sense. So we'll create ourselves an object that, let's call it indexes, and it will have the information about the last occurrence of the particular character. Then let's do left marker, let's do right marker, and let's also create our result integer, which will hold our longest substring. So now we will just create a while loop where we will be just going with our right marker, as we already mentioned, till we will hit end of the string, so on the s.length. And here, let's say, firstly we will take a character from the string. So let's do const char, and it will be s at right. This will give us a character. And then we can find if this index was already present and we found there is another occurrence of this particular record. So we can go, let's say, let's call it I, and we can go to our indexes object and see if we have index at character. And then what we will be doing. So for sure we'll be moving the right marker further, so we will do right plus plus, and for sure we'll be doing an information to this indexes object that we found such character. So we will do indexes at char, and it will be our current right. So that is the very basic approach that we want to take right now. And now what we will be doing. So we will be moving this left marker, but only if some conditions are met. So we will be checking if we already found the I, because if I will be different than undefined, we know that we already seen this letter. So if we already seen this letter, we will need to move our left marker. But we also need to account for that if the index of this last occurrence is in our current window of left and right that we are currently checking, like let's say our substring. So we'll be checking if I is greater than or equal to our left marker and if our I is less than right. So if we are in our current window that we are checking in our current substring, then we will be adding to left. We will take the current index and add 1 to it, so that we will update this indexes object with the index of the newest occurrence of this particular character. And then at the end we need to update our result. So our result will be a mat max. So either it will be our current result or either it will be our current substring. And this substring we will get from doing right minus left and adding 1 to it. So that should be all for the logic, and at the end let's return result. Let's see if this will work. Let's run it. Okay, 3 cases are accepted, and let's run the whole suite. And the whole suite is also accepted. We are not a very great on this solution, but generally it works. So that is my approach to this particular problem. I hope you liked it and learned something new. If you like to see more of such content, please of course subscribe to the channel. And for today, that's all, and see ya in another one.